welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Morpheme subscription box bag, whatever you want to call it. It comes in a bag. This is for the July subscription. So before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and also give it a thumbs up at the end if you liked it. And please make sure you follow me on my Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter account. Also on my Facebook. And my username is Makeup for Liz, just like my YouTube channel. So make sure you guys go follow me there. So this is what the Morpheme comes in. They always come like in the same baggie. So this is for the July. And this came a little bit late. I just received it right now, so I just figured I would film it right now. Yeah, I just think it came way too late because, I mean, it's almost the end of the month and I just received it. So I'm gonna open this and let me see how many brushes come in here. Oops. Okay, trash. So we got 4 brushes. Yes, 4 brushes. So I'm guessing this is, okay, it comes again with a little pamphlet like this, and it says Resting Beach Face. So yes, it comes with 4 brushes, and I'm gonna show them to you and read you what they're supposed to do. Yeah, so I'm basically gonna be reading out of this little pamphlet. So these are the brushes right here. They come wrapped as always. So let's start with the first one, which is, this is, wait, oh, okay. It says M492, which is it this one? Oh, wait, it's not open. How do you open it? Okay, this is literally not open. Oh, okay, it has a little tape. Hello. I'm kind of excited for this one because I lost my, oops, that's a little misplaced hair, but no biggies, I'll just chop it off. I lost my shading brush, so I'm pretty excited they sent me this one. This is a little bit bigger than the one that I used to have, but this is a Morphe M166, and it says it's an oval shadow brush. So this is what it looks like right here. It's just a flat shading brush, and let me see, it doesn't say what it does, but okay, it says use the oval shadow brush to pack even the gnarliest shadows on your lids. So yes, it's to apply shadow. I mean, you can just apply shadow right here. You can even use it to buff under the eye, but yes, this is basically to apply shadow. You can even like apply shadow under your eyebrows, highlighter in a corner. You can use it for whatever you want to, but mainly I do like to use this to pack the shadow into my eyes. So that's the first brush. So the second brush is this one right here. I forget they have tape. They didn't used to have tape. I don't think so. Now they're taped in. Ooh, this one's kind of cool. Maybe for like concealer or something. So this is the Morphe M492, and this is called the Dual Foundation. It says to slay that resting beach face, start by applying a flawless base using the Dual Foundation brush. So I guess you can use this as foundation. Like I said, I really don't like to use foundations, but I mean, I don't like to use brush for foundations, but recently I've been really liking the Y7 brush. It's a round kabuki brush to apply foundation when it's like, when I just want to apply like a little bit of foundation or concealer just to spot conceal. I really like to use this one. But I like this one either to set under the eye right here, or to even blend the concealer down here. Yeah, so even for blush, I mean, I kind of like could use this for blush too, or even highlighter. So yeah, this is the second brush that they sent. The third brush that they sent, let me open it because this one doesn't have any tape. It's just like, the third brush that they sent is called the Morphe 579, and This looks similar to the one they sent last month. I don't have it here. It looks similar to the one they sent last month, but the one from last month, it was like the gold packaging. So this is called the PROFLAT contour. It says what's an RBF without a chiseled contour. This straight edge PROFLAT contour brush won't create waves, but it will float your boat. Ha, that's funny. So yes, I would use this to either contour here, the same as the other one. I would like contour here under the lip, to apply powder right here under eye, for anything that you want basically. I really don't use these type of brushes a lot, just because I mean, I don't know, I just don't use them. I really don't like to carve in my contour. I usually use this pointed one for my contour. So yeah, this is another brush that they sent me. So the last brush that they sent me, I love these kinds of brushes. This is the Morphe M536, and this is called the Under Eye Bullet. So this one says, drive right into some concealer using the Under Eye Bullet. Its taper shape lets you get into the corners of your eyes and seemingly smooth things over. So yes, I would use this sometimes to put on concealer just when I'm in a hurry or I don't want a lot of makeup. I'll just apply concealer with this, or to set my under eye, I'll just grab some powder and set it like right away, dust away powder. Even for contour, this one works for contour as well. So yes, this is the last brush. This one looks kind of similar to, let me see, do I have it here? They kind of look similar to this one. It looks similar to this one. I mean, it looks even similar to this one. But yeah, this one also looks kind of like the one Laura Lee created with Morphe. I'm not sure if it's the same one or not, but it looks kind of like that one. So yeah, this is the last brush that I received. So that is it for the monthly subscription for these brushes. It only came with 4 brushes, again, because some of them are kind of big. So once again, if you guys don't know about Morphe Me subscription, it is $20 a month, and they send you a bag just like this one every month with brushes on it. It can be 3 to 6 brushes monthly, and they're all worth over, like, together $20. So I think it's a real good deal. If you guys want to go ahead and sign up, I will leave a link on the description box, and if you sign up with my link, they will let you choose a free brush. Also, they sent this little card, and it says it's new. It says bi-monthly Live Glam Club. Bi-monthly. So it's like every 2 months, or... Okay, it says our brand new Live Glam Eyeshadow Club, Shadow Me. So they have a new eyeshadow subscription, which is called Shadow Me. It's finally here. Get a new palette within 6 eyeshadows every other month. So yeah, it's every other month, and it's only $20, $19.99. These shades will leave you speechless, so let your eyes do all the talking. So if you guys want to go and check that out too, now they have a eyeshadow subscription. I know they also have a lip monthly subscription, so I don't have that one, and yeah, I really don't plan on getting it because I think I would prefer brushes over shadows or lipstick, because brushes are very useful and you always need brushes. So yes, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. Also, if you want to see a tutorial on this look, I did use the Norvina palette. Oh, it matches with my background. That is so cool. I did a look with the Norvina palette, so I'll list it up here somewhere so you guys can go check that out. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.